Hello everyone. So this yummy multivitamin smoothie is something you want to try as it contains a lot of health and medicinal benefits to your skin and system. It promotes good health, promotes longevity, protect your skin cells from damaging and nourishing your system with all those nutrients you need to fight diseases. The first ingredient before I get to all the benefits will be red grapes. This is what is used to make red wine with. Very healthy. It contains an enzyme called resveratrol that promotes longevity. Like if you've been consuming this or you consume this, it helps to promote longevity by protecting your skin cells from oxidative stress, which destroys your skin cells, and before you know it, you start having illnesses like cancer, your skin ages so fast. So this is something you want to fall in love with, red grapes, and I'll be using it as the first ingredient. I just need a handful, and you want to wash thoroughly. So I'm using water and vinegar to wash my uh, grapes with. But after washing this, you will see there will be no white residues or particles there. You don't want to eat your grapes with these white residues. When I rinse, you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. I will show you later on. But the second ingredient I'll be using will be mango. Mangoes are very nutrient dense. That is because they contain high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, plus a little bit of so many other vitamins and minerals. So if you haven't been eating mangoes, know you are missing on a lot of nutrients that promote collagen production, nourishing your system with all those nutrients you need for that healthy ageless glow to your skin. Like this is so nourishing and nutrient dense. So you want to get one mango for this recipe of today. Wash, peel, and you want to slice your mangoes into some good sizes that you can easily blend. The vitamin C and vitamin E boost collagen production. Vitamin A protect your skin cells from damaging, leading to good health and longevity as well. So this is it, thoroughly clean and sliced into some perfect sizes. The third ingredient I'll be using will be papaya. Papayas are very good because they contain vitamin A, vitamin C, a lot of antioxidants in here, plus vitamin E as well. So if you've noticed, most of the ingredients I'm using today are really superfruits with a lot of vitamins and minerals to treat your skin, fight aging, protect your skin cells from damaging, leading to like preventing oxidative stress, which causes cancer, destroying your skin. You age so fast. Like this is to nourish your system to have that youthful skin and live a healthy and longer life. Like this is so nourishing. You want to get your my god, papaya. I love pineapples a lot, so I keep making mistakes. So you want to get half a papaya. So I'll be using half a papaya for the smoothie of today. You need to just peel and slice into some good sizes that you can easily blend. This nourishes your skin, cleanses your skin, and gives you that healthy, fresh beauty to your skin from the inside. Yeah. So this is it, sliced, and voila, this is my third ingredient. So I'll be adding another source of vitamin C. You can use just one orange. So I just have these tiny little oranges. It's equivalent to like one orange. So I'll just be adding for enough vitamin C. Citrus fruits are very good for the system. They nourish your system with a lot of vitamin C you need for your immunity boost and to give you that fresh, plump, and beautiful skin. Immunity is very important, most especially this during this period. You want your immunity always up, and you can get high amounts of that from these citrus fruits like oranges, lemons. Yeah, so this is it. I'll be using both the juice and the pulp I got from the orange to come up with this. So basically, what you need to do now is to get your blender, and you want to put your ingredients in your blender. That is my papaya, that is my mango. You look at my grapes, they are so clean now, no white residues. You want to wash your grapes to be this clean before you consume them. Don't eat them with those white residues, or else you'll be eating chemicals. That is my orange juice now, and yeah, you just want to blend everything. These fruits are all almost like 80 to 90% water based, so there is no need adding water in this smoothie, as the water from these fruits will automatically blend everything for you, for your smoothie to come out so smooth and so yummy and nutrient dense. The most important thing is the nutrients that are in this smoothie. A blend of different nutrients in here to nourish your system. With all those nutrients, you need to always stay healthy and beautiful, with good skin, plus will promote good health, preventing oxidative stress, causing all illnesses like cancer. This is so nourishing just for avoiding illnesses like cancer. You want to fall in love with this smoothie, and trust me, you will love it. It tastes so good in the mouth as well, and so nourishing. So this is it. I When I make smoothies like this, I just have it. I have it to myself. If I'm making for family, friends, whoever, I double up the quantity, or I can make your own afresh. But this smoothie, personally, I'm very stingy with this particular smoothie. This is so nourishing. Like, this is like giving yourself a treat, nourishing your system, because taking good care of yourself is a form of self-love. Like, you can't love yourself any less that you will not nourish your system with nutrients like this to help you live a healthy life free of diseases and sicknesses. Plus, it promotes good skin, fight aging, nourish your system. Like, this is so yummy and out of this world. You want to try this recipe and come back and tell me how you feel about it. Share the video with your family and friends. Talk to them about the importance of eating healthy, nourishing our system with nutrient dense foods, most especially red grapes. That is something I want to reiterate a lot in this video. These red grapes are very healthy. If you're someone who loves drinking like alcohol, just go for red wine. Red wine is very healthy. Most alcohols are really bad, but red wine is kind of fermented grapes. So it is just fermented, making it like kind of strong, but it is really healthy. So this red grapes is what is used to make red wine, and they use these red grapes as well to make some supplements called res Veratrol supplements. You can find out about those supplements, resveratrol. It is made with red grapes, and that is so good at promoting longevity, good health, fighting diseases, leaving your skin looking so youthful. Like, you want to try this. A lot of benefits I can't keep reiterating, or else I'll talk until I will not stop talking. So yeah, that this is it. These are the kinds of recipes I consume to live healthy, always in good shape, not necessarily skinny, but not having that bulgy belly, oversized or obese. I'm just always looking healthy and just fine. So yeah, these are my recipes I want to share with you. I don't want to be skinny, like skinny, unhealthy and malnourished. I just want to look healthy with a good body size without being obese. Yeah, so that is my mission, and I hope someone finds this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.